In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate slash Zoho Books. If you've ever needed to share a professional price quote before starting work, an estimate is exactly what you want. It lays out what you'll deliver and at what cost, so your customer knows what to expect before you invoice. To get started, look to the top right of your Zoho Books dashboard and click the plus icon. From the menu that opens, select Estimates. This takes you straight to the new estimate creation form, where you'll build the quote. At the top of the form, choose your customer. If the customer already exists in your contacts, their billing and shipping addresses can autofill. You can still review them and make quick edits if needed. If a customer is new, add them first so the system can remember their details for next time. While you're here, check the estimate date and the estimate number. Zoho Books typically generates numbers for you, but you can adjust the format to match your internal sequence. Setting an expiry or validity date is also a good idea, so your pricing stays time-bound and clear. Next, fill in the core of your estimate, the items or services you're quoting. Add each line with a clear name, quantity, and rate. If you've set up items in your catalog, selecting them will bring in default prices and tax preferences automatically. Apply taxes where applicable and, if appropriate, add discounts per line or on the subtotal. You can include shipping or additional charges as separate lines to keep the totals transparent. If you work in multiple currencies, confirm the correct currency is selected. You can also associate the estimate with a project or add custom fields if your organization uses them. Use the Notes or Terms section to communicate important details, like scope clarifications, delivery timelines, or conditions that help avoid misunderstandings. If you need to, attach relevant files such as a spec sheet or a brief. Before moving on, take a moment to review the totals, verify the customer contact, and use Preview to see how the estimate will look as a PDF. When everything looks right, choose how you want to proceed. Click Save as Draft if you'd like to review it later or get approval internally. Choose Save and Send if you're ready to share it with your customer right away. Sending will generate an email with the estimate attached. You can personalize the message so the client understands the context. And there you go. You've created a clear, professional estimate in Zoho Books. You can always come back to track its status, make edits, or convert it to an invoice once your customer gives the go-ahead.